In this video, I will show you how to buy the best garage in GTA 5 Online 2024. Before we dive into how you can buy a garage on GTA 5 Online, let's head over to the things that you need to consider when buying a garage on GTA 5. So first would be storage capacity. How many vehicles do you need to store? Second would be location. Is it conveniently located for your missions and activities? Third would be price. What's your budget? And the features and aesthetics that you want for your garage. Now let's head over to the top garages in GTA 5 Online 2024. First would be Nightclub Garage. The Nightclub Garage is one of the most popular choices. It has multiple basement with 10 car garages. Second would be Agency Garage. The Agency Garage is almost essential for serious players. It offers up to 20 vehicle spaces and a vehicle workshop for modifications. And the third on the list would be the Auto Shop Garage. The Auto Shop Garage is great for those into tuning and customizing cars. It comes with a workshop and additional storage space. Now let's head over on how you can buy a garage in GTA 5. First, open the internet browser, go to in-game internet browser and search for garage that you want to buy. Select the garage, click on the garage listing and check the details including price and features. Purchase the garage. If you have enough money, click the purchase button to buy the garage and visit the garage. Once purchased, you can visit the garage in-game and start storing your vehicles.